Hey, what's up, fellow traders? I hope you guys had a great weekend and a great day today. I'm going to go over our earnings trades today, but I got one question for you. Are you ready for this power? Are you ready for this power? To put it simply, your trade or the trades you take is a personal choice in which you have control over it when it starts, how long you're in it, and when it ends. Okay, you decide what your entry trigger is and you get in it. The market doesn't enter the trade for you. You get in it. The market doesn't take you out of the trade. You decide when it's time to take it out, take it off. And it doesn't decide how long you're in it. Okay, it doesn't decide your stop loss, it doesn't decide your profit targets and all of that. Girl, I'm talking. I'm outside with my dogs. Usually I'm inside with my cats, but today when it's beautiful outside, I get to spend time out here with my little doggies. But this little girl is feisty. But this personal choice, the choices you make, it's a product of how we interpret the market data and how it affects us psychologically. Because when you get in the trade, if it's volatile, if it's jumping around, it triggers something in us. And a lot of us get scared because we don't know what's going to happen. Okay? Which tells us we're not ready for the power that we have in our trades. I know we all talk about how we can't control the market and all of that. No, we can't control it. What we can control is our trades, and that's the power that we have. And we have to be ready to accept it. Okay? Now, how we interpret the data and how it affects us depends on how well we're able to read price action and interpret technical analysis. And I'm going to tell you like this. I'm going to be straight up with you. Until I got hooked up with the professional traders that I got hooked up with years ago, thanks to Abe, God bless him, may he rest in peace. I had no clue. Okay, I had no clue. I was moving and making moves, but I wasn't really getting anywhere. I was making money, but I wasn't going forward. The one thing they told me, one of the first things they taught me, is that risk management is not based on the stuff that you were taught. Risk management is based on price action and technical analysis. If you're a day trader, okay, that's what it's based on. And until you're comfortable reading price action and interpreting the technical analysis on the chart and having 100% confidence in it, you're not going to stay in trades long enough. You're going to get stopped out. You're going to get spooked out, and you won't make a whole lot of money. Okay, it's just that simple. And I'm not asking you to believe what I'm telling you. I prove it every day, live and in color. I'm not throwing charts out there saying, ooh, look at what I did, and nobody gets to see it. Whoever's in the community gets to see everything I do, especially these aftermarket earnings trades that we're going to go over. But I am having a technical analysis and price action program that I am starts tomorrow. Now, I keep my community small because I can't stand noise. I can't stand bullshit. I keep it small so that I can work with you. If you want to take advantage of the free one-on-one mentoring sessions that come with the membership, I'm here to do it. Okay? I'm here. If you don't take advantage of it, shame on you. But I'm here to help you get to where you want to be in your trading. Okay, and nothing else at this point matters. Okay, I don't sell courses. The programs, this new program is free to my members. Once you pay and you're in for life. I'm not gonna ask you to pay for a class or resubscribe to your membership or nothing. It's one shot. So you ask yourself, above, are you ready for this power? Ask yourself, how much is your trading success worth to you? How much is it worth to you? And how much have you spent up until now? And look at where you are. That's all I got to say. All right, so let's take a look at my trade from today. PANW, man, I got really upset because I was ready to get in. I was ready to get in on the aggressive entry right under here. I was ready to get in it, okay? And what happened? Within a split second, I watched it run up and I was like, man, I started to get this. I could have got 5 quick points off of this. But then all of a sudden, wham. It was well below the daily. Let's bring up the daily chart here real quick. It was well below the daily chart. And the daily moving averages. Bring this over here so you can see it. Okay, here was the 50. I mean, here was the 20-day. Here was the 50-day moving average, and here was the 100-day. So my goal was this thing selling off and getting to the 100-day. Okay, that was my goal. Now, if you were in chat, you saw exactly how we found our targets. You saw exactly why we picked 305, why we picked 300, why we picked 295, and why 290 was best case scenario. Okay, you saw all of that. And that's what I'm going to teach you in this program. But if you're already in, you get to see this every day. So it worked out pretty good, even though, and everybody's asking me, hey, this thing dropped $50, $60. Why are you still shorting it? Well, I got in this bull trap right here. The first trade was a bull trap. Just like you, I saw this $50 move. I could not get in it to where I could manage my risk. I'm sorry, I couldn't do it. So we held 313 on all these candles. So here, we didn't even make a lower low. We didn't make a higher high. But as soon as this candle opened and it made a higher high, I got in. I'm reading the price action. It's not an exact science. Nothing is an exact science. But I realized very quickly as we came back, this was a bull trap. Okay, it was a 100% bull trap because I was able to read the price action. So I got out of it and I got ready and I waited patiently for 20 minutes until we took out the low. Once we took out the low, we started hitting our profit targets. All I was trying to do here was take the reversal back to the 9 and then wait to see if we were going to come back when we hit the conference call, because typically it dies down and then when the conference call hits, we start to pick up volatility again. But we got short here. First target 305, and again I showed you exactly where we got this. Next target was 300, and now I didn't mean to add here, but this was a good add because of the moving average. This was a good add. I could still manage my risk off of 300. So I still took profit at 295. It bounced. It started to sell off again. Yeah, I could have added here, but I wasn't going to be greedy. I was looking for 290, and that's what we got. 290 was our final target. Everybody in chat saw it. I showed you exactly where it was. We sat here and waited. Now guess what? If I didn't know how to read price action, if I didn't trust my technical analysis, I would have bailed out here. I would not have seen the profit that I made here. This was an absolute incredible trade. And I tell you real time. Now I explained to you before, I think I did a video earlier today, but you can't read a book on price action and technical analysis. You can't sit there and learn all these damn patterns, technical patterns. You can't watch videos. You have to see this live. You have to learn it as the market is going on. You have to learn it live. Because like Mark Douglas says, no two moments in the market are the same. So how the hell can you watch and learn from a dead chart and then come out here and expect to see the same thing? You don't. You can't. If you don't believe me, think about it. Just ignore how you feel about me. Think about what I just said. And go back and reflect on what you've done all this time. So that's that trade. So let's look at SEDG. Now this was a trade some of the other members got in the chat. So let's draw this. This is the 5-minute announcement candle. Okay, once it took out the low, they got short. Perfect strategy. Got in. It's the same as the 5-minute opening range breakdown. All we do is wait for the 5-minute announcement candle to stop doing all of its shit. Get in. And there it is. Look at the move they got. Over $10. All right. So I'm watching this. And this candle is one of the things that we're going to learn in this program is what each candle is telling you. And how you have to use the next several candles to help you understand exactly what's about to happen or that's trying to happen. Okay, like I said, it's not perfect. Sometimes you may get caught in a trap, but you'll realize it and you can get out and then reset yourself. But here, I'm looking for the reversal here. And I got in. It was moving up so fast it kind of doubled my order here, or it split my order. But we got in. First target 71. I added back over the 9 here, but this wasn't. It wasn't intentional, but I added back. You know, we broke the high. We were over the 9. So I felt pretty good about it, but still took the trade profit at 74. Got to 76. Got all the way up to the VWAP and the 50-day here, or the 50-period moving average. My final target was going to be the 200, but it didn't quite get there and it started to roll back. Once we lost the 9, it was time to get out. All technical analysis, all reading price action. It's what we do every day. This isn't a one-off. This doesn't just happen once every blue moon. You've seen me do recaps, and we have 2 or 3 solid earnings trades every day. I mean, it's what we see. All right, so let me show you let's go. Let me show you real quick, because I know I'm gonna get emails asking me what we made and all this stuff. Okay, here is I don't know why it does this stupid thing all the time. It just blows it up so damn big. Okay, here it is right here. 23.26. After we had the bull trap, 2326. SEDG, we made 460860. Everybody that was with us saw it happen live. And a lot of them got to take the same trade and learned exactly how to find this and everything as we were doing it. You guys can do it too. All you have to do, make a decision. How much is your trading success worth? Are you willing to learn the things you need to learn in order to be successful? Those are the questions that you must ask yourself going forward. Okay, and again, we're starting this program tomorrow. If you want to get in, come join it. I tell you, you make one payment, you don't pay anything else. You get everything I got. Okay, everything I got. It's up to you. I mean, if you come in, great. If you don't, great. I'm going to teach the people here. You know, if one person is learning and listening and doing and getting better, that's all I care about. But it's open to anybody that wants to come in. If you need help spreading the payment, email me. You know, I'll work with you. I'm here to help you. So that's it for me today. You guys have a great rest of the day, and I will catch you tomorrow. But answer the question. Are you ready for the power? If not, you better come join me so I can help you.